There, good afternoon. How you guys doing? It's a lovely day here in South Florida, and I came here this afternoon just to show you how my plants are doing, but also to make you wonder, should you plant your plants on the ground? Should you buy and invest on a raised bed? So well, that's what I did. I invested on the raised bed, and I wanted to let you know and show you what I was able to fit on them. So here we go. So this is my raised bed, one of my raised beds, and as you can see, it's looking quite lovely. This one is by Olle, great company, high quality. It's made out of galvanized steel, so it doesn't rust. I have it in this beautiful dark gray color, and this is what I was able to fit. I have 4 cabbage plants, 5 bok choys, then I have 4 purple cabbages. I've been picking quite a lot of leaves from my bok choys. Keeps on growing. Yesterday I picked some for a soup. Also used some of the outer leaves from the cabbages, put it on the soup too to make good use of it. Right here I have cauliflower, which is growing quite lovely. And when the plants were younger, I decided to make better use of my space and plant some watercress in between. And as you can see, they're growing all the way around the plants, on top of the plants, in between, and also cascading down the bed, which is looking pretty lovely. This bed is 2 by 8. I also got some nasturtiums here. They have beautiful flowers, edible, and they also help with pest control. Although I haven't had any problems with pests since the weather's been great. So this is one of my beds, and I'm gonna show you the other one, which is right there. So here is my other bed. The vegetables are quite happy too. As you can see here, I have 2 broccolis, and then I have another 2 at the end there. Planted some seeds, carrot seeds right here. Have some beets around here. Planted some broccolini in the middle here. I have to thin them out, but I'm not quite sure how I could do it. So I'm just letting the plants grow. And it seems like it's not being bothered, because as you can see, there's a broccolini growing right there, more growing back here, another little one right here. So it seems like they're doing fine. I have another 2 cauliflowers right there, more bok choys, maybe like 5 plants right here, and more broccoli like I said here. Some carrots down here, so as I harvest these, the carrots will keep on growing. I had also, when the plants were smaller, planted some radishes around here, and we ate quite a lot of them. Then I planted some more seeds. So again, once these are harvested, they can keep on growing. This bed is 4 by 8, a little wider than the other one. And the good thing about these beds is that if you're limited on space, you can regulate how you want them. They have 9 ways of putting them together. And if you're like me, you live on a circumstance that you have to maintain your garden or your yard at a higher standard, these are not only functional, they're beautiful. So nobody will complain. I haven't heard any complaints, just good positive comments. So if you're interested in them, again, they're called Olle garden beds. And go out there, keep on planting, keep on growing, have fun, learn from your mistakes, and you see that you'll be pleased with the results. Have a good day.